Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your business or home office needs a reliable, easy-to-use Rackmount NAS without breaking the budget, today's product is perfect for that. This is the BUFFALO TeraStation Essentials 4-bay NAS, configured with 24 TB of pre-installed storage 4x6 TB drives, designed for value-focused storage and straightforward deployment. The first thing you'll notice about this NAS is its ready-to-use configuration. The drives are included, pre-installed, and formatted, which means you can plug it in and start using it immediately. For businesses or small offices, this eliminates the hassle of sourcing compatible drives and ensures everything works seamlessly from day one. With 4 drive bays, the TeraStation Essentials supports RAID configurations like RAID 5 and RAID 10, giving you the choice between maximizing storage capacity and adding redundancy to protect your data. RAID 5 is typically ideal for small businesses, offering a good balance of storage efficiency and fault tolerance. Connectivity is simple and effective. This NAS connects directly to your network via Gigabit Ethernet, allowing multiple users to securely access shared folders and collaborate efficiently. While it's designed for straightforward file sharing, it also supports scheduled backups, automated replication, and basic network security settings, making it suitable for small teams without dedicated IT staff. The TeraStation Essentials is built to be rack-mountable, which means it integrates neatly into existing server racks, saving valuable office space. Despite its business-grade reliability, it's also energy efficient and designed for continuous 24/7 operation, making it suitable for businesses that require constant access to files. For those seeking value, the combination of pre-installed drives, RAID protection, and rack mount flexibility makes this NAS an excellent choice for small businesses, remote offices, or departments within larger organizations. It's not overcomplicated with unnecessary features, just reliable, fast, and easy storage. Overall, the BUFFALO TeraStation Essentials 4-bay 24 TB NAS provides dependable, value-focused storage in a professional form factor. If you want a simple, ready-to-use NAS that works right out of the box, this is a smart, practical option. If this review helped, make sure to subscribe for more honest tech reviews. And if you're ready to deploy reliable network storage for your office, check the Amazon link below and grab the BUFFALO TeraStation Essentials while it's available.